This is CRC Brakleen. This year, 2021, it is celebrating its 50th birthday, and it still looks great. It is the George Clooney of automotive chemicals. We are here to give you a few tips on great ways to use Brakleen in your shop and a few things that you might want to avoid that I have definitely seen people doing or have done myself that are not the best uses for this product. So we all know Brakleen is great for cleaning brake products, just as the name implies. But before you even pull this stuff out, I want you to do a couple things, and that is think about safety. This is a highly caustic chemical inside here. Can do some damage if you're not careful. So we're going to use a proper safety eyewear for a couple reasons. First off, to protect your eyes, and second off, you may have noticed that I took off glasses and put these safety glasses on. The polycarbonate lenses in these glasses could possibly react very negatively to Brakleen, and I don't want my $200 glasses being destroyed when I can easily destroy a $1 pair of safety glasses. Next thing you want to do is protect your skin and your hands with a proper set of gloves. You also want to protect any work surface you are using that you do not want to have Brakleen on it. We like this pig mat quite a bit, especially if we are using it on a bench or to clean something that is not actually on the car or even under the car as well. So one thing I want you to remember is Brakleen is primarily designed to clean metallic surfaces. So try and keep it away from plastics, polycarbonates, painted surfaces, anything that is not a metallic surface. Let's talk about some things you don't want to do with Brakleen. First off, you do not want to use it in a poorly ventilated area. Always keep good ventilation wherever you're using it. Keep air flowing, keep things open as much as possible. I need to weld a few things. I can clean my parts with Brakleen, right? Wrong, you cannot. You want phosgene gas? That's how you get phosgene gas and hydrogen chloride. When this stuff hits 500 degrees, some very dangerous chemicals are released that can cause everything up to and including death. Do not use a chlorinated brake cleaner, Brakleen or any other type to clean parts before welding. I can't believe I have to say this out loud to grown adults, but I've seen this happen, and I do not want you to ever use Brakleen as a hand cleaner. It will remove any grease from your hands. It also may remove some skin from your hands in high enough concentration. So please don't do that. Please don't let me see you doing that. There are great products out there to clean your hands, like CRC's Mechanic Orange, but even the nice folks at CRC would be more than happy to see you using another brand of hand cleaner rather than using a brake cleaner for a hand cleaner. CRC Brakleen is not carb cleaner. It is designed for greasy metallic areas. Under your hood, there are a lot of plastics, there are a lot of rubbers, there are a lot of soft materials that this will not exactly react well with. Again, plenty of products designed to do exactly what you're trying to do, so use the correct product for the correct application. Brakleen is not designed for anything under your hood. Brakleen can react very negatively with paints and clear coats, so be very careful using it around painted surfaces. Now, on a good, high quality painted surface, you've got a little bit of time before it starts actually degrading that surface. So if you do splash some on a painted surface, make sure to wipe it off really quickly and really thoroughly. Let it flash off completely. Shouldn't have anything to worry about. But in general, you want to keep your application of Brakleen to metallic surfaces. A couple years ago, CRC released these Pro Series Brakleen cans, which was literally just a bigger can of Brakleen. If there's anything better than Brakleen, it's just more Brakleen. Well, you have access to even more Brakleen than that because you can buy it in gallons. And you can also use these liquid gallons of Brakleen in something like CRC Sure Shot, which you can pressurize yourself and use as a non-aerosol sprayer of Brakleen. So one thing you definitely don't want to do with liquid Brakleen is get it around plastics. This is a polystyrene cup. I thought we'd just do a quick demonstration here to show you why you do not want to use this stuff around plastic. So obviously polystyrene is a little bit of a weaker plastic than you might see under the hood of a car, but the science is very similar, the construction is very similar. Not something you want to use around plastics if you can at all avoid it. And if you do get it on plastics, just like a painted surface, try and wipe it off immediately and not let it sit on there in a liquid form for very long. Look, obviously we're big fans of Brakeleen. They have been supporters of our magazine for a very long time, but we also have shelves of the stuff in our own garages as well. So if you ever need some, just stop by. We'd probably let you borrow some, or go to any major retailer that sells automotive chemicals and you will find a big chunk of the CRC product lineup. Check them out online as well at crcindustries.com. And if you are enjoying the content that we are producing here, do me a favor, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check us out on Facebook, and we will see you in the shop next time. Bye, everybody.
Support brands that support grassroots motorsports. Get your chemical solutions from CRC Industries. Visit crcindustries.com to learn more.